guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. And today I am going to be showing you how to make a few things in Minecraft. So first we are going to be starting with an iron golem. An iron golem. Okay, so that and that to make an iron golem. You need to do that, and that, and this is an iron, a piece of iron, and a card pumpkin. And now you have your iron golem. Okay, so we made an iron golem. Now let's make a snowman. A snowman, you need a pumpkin. We could keep let's just get another pumpkin. And we are going to use a snow block. Okay, so there, and then right here. Then now, well, I guess we didn't need those. So this is how you make a snowman, actually. There. And you have a snowman. Now I'm going to show you how to make the wither. Now the wither, you need that. And that. Okay, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is how you make the wither. Okay, let's watch. Let's watch. Oh, and if you are playing Minecraft and watching this at the same time, you can pause the video. You can pause the video to catch up with us. With me, actually. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to make another portal. And then I think we are done making stuff. And leave in the comments if I didn't make all the things you can make in Minecraft, and just tell me if you want me to make a video of it if you don't know how to make videos. Okay, so we need obsidian and this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You can make it how wide as you want. I'm just doing it like this. And this is what, and then you go to the Nether. I don't know how to make portals to other things though, which kind of stinks because I've heard of portals to Jurassic Park and like Disneyland and stuff, and I don't know. It's just like it doesn't work for me. Yeah, it just doesn't work. If I'm doing it, tell me how to do it in the comments if you know how, just in case I'm doing it wrong. Okay, so now I think I kind of want to go back. Let's light that up. You don't have to do that for the portal in the Nether. I just wanted to because it was really, really dark in here. And I couldn't see what I was doing. And there we go. Then we're going back. Now where? Did I go back? I came to somewhere. So I didn't start from here. Oh my gosh. This is insane. That is so crazy. Yeah, that is so crazy. Okay. Since we are done with that, since we've finished, I finished showing you things. What should we do now? I don't know what to do now. Oh, what should we do? Let's look for a village and then catch it on fire. I could go on survival. No! Oh my god, oh my god. I am gonna fight the wither in survival. Okay, so let me get myself into survival. Oh, and if you don't know how to, if you're in creative and you don't know how to go back into survival, or you're in survival and you want to go into creative, you go like, you get, I don't know what that is, and then you write game mode, and then space, and then all these will pop up. I've never tried Spectre, so let's do it. Spectre mode. What is this? We can never go down? No! Oh my god. Guys, that was so cool. That was so cool. Now I'm gonna go actually into survival. Game mode. Survival. No, no, no! I just died. Oh, look, our friend. Our friend's here. How have you been doing? Have you been fighting the wither like you're supposed to be doing? I'm fighting an iron golem right now. Wait. Okay, oh no, slime blocks are after me, guys. Slime blocks are after me. That didn't do much. Ah, slime balls! You can't throw slime balls. Oh, guys, let's go back into creative. There's a few more things I want to show you. Guys, I have to hurry! And I was slain. I don't hear that word often. So let's do game mode. Stop killing me! I don't have a chance to go back into creative. Okay, we have to do this fast, guys. G, game mode, creative. Whew. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to dye a sheep and just like cut one. So let's get some shears. Then some no, that's not how you spell dyed. Yep, I thought so. And you could get any color and do this to something. Oh, a sheep. You can do this to what just got later. You can do this to any kind of sheep and with any colors. Give me all that purple dye. Yes. Now you have a naked Did you pick that back up and just like put it on? Oh, guys, now I see. When it eats, it gets its clothes back, its feathers back on. Now I'm going to show you how to milk a cow in survival. So you get a bucket in creative or on survival if you can get a bucket even. And then go to survival. And then let's go find a cow. There's a lot of cows. Give me some milk. And then you right click on the cow. And then you have milk. It doesn't matter where you click on him. It just matters if you click on him. Going back into the nether. Actually, no, I want to see this wither man. I mean, the wither skeleton. I think it's just the wither. Because if I look at I was just guessing. But if I look at my screen, it just says the wither. Oh my god! Everybody's fighting me! Drink. Oh no, I'm out of milk! Jeez, guys! Guys, oh yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I don't know any more things to teach you guys, really, on Minecraft. Yeah, and yeah, I'm just gonna say, see